In this video, we will explore the SMSA Shipping module for Magento 2. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. To enable the module, let's navigate to Admin End, and then navigate to Stores, after that Configurations, then navigate to Sales, and inside Sales, there is an option of delivery methods. Here, you can see the module name is listed here as SMSA Shipping. Here, you can choose to enable or disable the module. Here, you can enter the title. Here, you can enter the method name. Here, you can enable or disable sandbox mode. Here, you can enter the passkey for SMSA. Here, you can enter the price for the first 15 kgs to specify the product's rate. And next, you can enter the additional per kg price. Here, you can choose to create shipments for all allowed countries or for specific countries. And if you choose the specific countries, then you can choose specific countries from here. I'm choosing all allowed countries for now. Here, you can enter the sort order for this shipment method. Here, you can choose to show the method when it is not applicable. Here, you can enter the error message to display for this shipping method. After that, click the Save Configuration button. Next, you can go to the shipping settings and input the origin like this. Next, you have to go to Generals, then Store Information, and here you have to input your store information. After making all this configuration at Admin Ends, let's click the Save Configuration button and the module will be enabled. To create an order, the product must have a weight. To check whether the product has a weight, let's navigate to Catalog and choose the product and click on Edit button. And here, you can see the weight is mentioned here as 16 kgs. Now, let's move to Customer End to create an order and create shipment with SMSA Shipping. Let's navigate to Bags. I will add this Joust duffel bag into my cart. I have added this product to my cart. Let's click on Proceed to Checkout button. Here, you can see the method is displayed here as SMSA Shipping. Also, the shipping charges are mentioned here as $15 according to the weight of this product. Let's select the SMSA Shipping and click on Next button. Click on Place Order button. And we have successfully created an order with SMSA Shipping. Here, let's check the order details. The order number is this, and the shipping method is mentioned here as SMSA Shipping. Let's move to Admin End to create shipment for this order. Let's navigate to Sales, then Orders. This is the order we just placed. Now let's click on View button. Here, you can see the shipping and handling information. Here, the method name and the shipping charges are mentioned here. Let's navigate to Create Shipment, and now click on Ship button, and let's click on Create the Shipping Label, and then click on the Submit Shipment. To create the shipment, click on Add Products to the package. So this is the product we just created an order with. Let's select this, and let's enter the length, width, and height for this package. Click on Add Product to the package, and you can see here the weight is mentioned here. After making this, click on Save button, and after clicking the Save button, the shipment label will be generated. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.